Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Uh, Good morning to other parts of the world. And we are now unboxing the Eizo uh, monitor for my computer. So it comes from B&H. And then, so this is it. This is the monitor. Eizo. That's the monitor. And according to B&H, the monitor has a calibration for itself. So that's the monitor and made by Japan. So we need to open this and open this and here is my unboxing. This is the unboxing. It's winter here, so I'm bundling up myself because it's cold. And then we put a kind of a silica gel so to protect the monitor. So this is it. And then open this one. This one is, these are the cables to connect to your power and to your computer, the main board. So that's the other cable, and here's another cable. And I think does not say something, but the cable itself has a little of something. So this one, so this kind of special cable. That's it. And this is opening of, and it has color navigator 7. That's the CD. And then has the instruction manual, color edge CS2740 Eizo. So that's the other one. And then this is the monitor. So if we are going to open the monitor, oh, it's kind of a little, oh, it's very, very light. So it is a light monitor. I don't have a problem in carrying that one because I can carry it by myself. So if you are going to look at it, that's it. This is the cover. This is the monitor. This is Eizo. So So this is the I want to get this so you can see. That's the box, and this is the monitor. Okay, the monitor, see, so that's the new monitor, and that's our omen, and that's our monitor. It's PC, so that's it. We need to connect that one and open it. Okay.